Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to permanently delete photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Menu and click on this Recycle bin. After click on Recycle bin, if you want to permanently delete photos and videos, click on this three dot icon. Click on Select and select all. After click on Select all, if you want to delete permanently photos and videos, click on Delete all and click on Delete. After click on Delete, you will see your photos and picture is permanently delete. After delete photos and videos, you will see go back to home screen. So that's how you can permanently delete photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.